Welcome to our channel. Let's explore the simple way to activate your Indigo credit card and start using its benefits today. Welcome to our channel. Getting your Indigo credit card is just the beginning. Now let's walk through the straightforward process to activate it. Step 1 ensures you have your credit card package in hand, including the card itself, and your support documents. Look for the activation instructions included. Next, you have two main methods to activate your card. The first, and often the quickest, is online activation. Visit the official Indigo credit card website. Make sure you access the genuine site to keep your information secure. Once there, look for the activation section, usually labeled as Activate Your Card or Card Activation. Enter your card details exactly as they appear on your card. This typically includes your card number, expiration date, and CVV code. Follow the prompts to verify your identity. This might involve providing your personal details, such as your name, date of birth, and security questions, or receiving a verification code via email or phone. Enter the verification code. If requested, then submit your information. Your card should now be activated and ready to use. The other popular method is activating by phone. Look for the toll-free number provided in your activation documents or on the back of your card. Call the number and follow the automated instructions, or speak directly to a customer service representative. You will be asked to provide your card number and personal details to confirm your identity. After the verification process, your agent will activate your card for you before closing. Remember to sign the back of your card. This helps protect you in case of loss or theft. Also, keep your activation confirmation for your records. If any issues arise, customer support is just a call away and ready to help with any questions or problems. Activating your Indigo credit card is a quick step that opens the door to managing your finances smartly and securely. Enjoy the convenience of your card for purchases online and in stores while tracking rewards or special offers from Indigo.